Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with one more campus update for you all, and this time it is regarding Hawkins. Hawkins, they are hiring freshers as well as laterals as management trainees for multiple profiles like programmers, engineering, HR, accounts, sales, marketing, legal, etc. and are offering a very attractive salary of 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. And we are here to share these details for you. This is a brief introduction about Hawkins. Hawkins, as you might have heard, they are leader in the pressure cooker market. Founded in 1959, Hawkins Cooker Limited, it is a professionally managed public limited company. They have successfully diversified into the cookware market as well. And Hawkins, they have their offices in Mumbai and factories in Thane, Punjab and UP. So you may get more information about them on their website, which is hawkins.in. As mentioned earlier, they are hiring for multiple positions and profiles. These are the details about the same. They are hiring programmers, and these candidates are expected to have good practical knowledge of one or more of the technologies, which are C++, C Sharp.NET, SQL, Visual Basic, Java, ASP.NET, HTML, Python, or Android. They are also hiring diploma holders, engineering graduates, as well as postgraduates in technical and engineering departments, which are mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial engineering, material science, and robotics. They are also hiring for multiple positions in sales and marketing departments. In the human resource departments also they have openings in training and manpower development, recruitment, appraisal management, and factory HR. In the legal team as well, they are recruiting the candidates. This is the selection process. First, there will be a written test across India, followed by group discussions, and then those who clear these two rounds, initial rounds, will be lined up for interviews. These are the salary details during the training. Rupees 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum is offered, and upon confirmation, rupees 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. And as far as job locations are concerned, they are across India. To get more details about this recruitment and to apply for it, please visit bit.ly/Hawkins2021. I repeat, the URL for more details and to apply is bit.ly/HAWKINS2021. The URL is case sensitive, so make sure that you enter the correct URL in the address bar of your browser. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you are finding all our videos updates helpful and useful for you. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly a top IT training company. Along with quality trainings, we are very well known for strong placement support, which we provide to our trained students, exclusively to our trained students. So enroll today for full stack developer, Java, .NET testing, Python, data science, machine learning course at Profound EduTech and get 100% guaranteed placement support. New batches are starting in December. We start new batches, launch new batches almost every week or 8 to 10 days. And in order to get more details of our courses, the contents, etc., please call on these mentioned numbers 89830 or 52. These are the snapshots of our popular courses. This one is full stack Java developer, which is of 6 months duration, which covers multiple technologies within the same course, right from your fundamentals, then entire Java track as backend. In the front end we have Angular 8 plus web design also. Then we also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, along with Python programming and software testing. So this diploma, or rather this course, helps to get yourself skilled in multiple technologies and also explore multiple placement opportunities as well. Of course, aptitude as well as soft skills are covered in this course. This is the similar diploma in software testing, which covers manual testing as well as automation testing, along with fundamentals, the Java part which is required for WebDriver, etc. These are the highlights of our courses. Live trainings by senior trainers. Yes, all our trainings, whether online trainings or offline trainings, they are live trainings. They are not pre-recorded ones. They are live trainings and the experts are in front of you. Now, since these trainings are live trainings, a lot of interaction is facilitated through them, which will help you to solve all your questions, queries, doubts, etc. and that to runtime. We cover multiple technologies or programming languages in the same course as we have seen in the snapshot, right from your fundamentals C++, then database, Java, testing, web design, Angular, everything is covered in the same course, which helps you to get more skills. We focus a lot on hands-on knowledge, hence we have daily assignments to our students. They work whatever they learn, they work it out on real-time projects. In the labs also we have trainers who guide them in the assignments, etc. And most importantly, we offer exclusive campus drives to our trained students, profound enrolled trained students in Java, .NET, testing, Python, data science, etc. Hardly 5 to 10% of the campus drives that we arrange, they are open campus. Rest all 90-95% of campus drives, they are only for our trained students in the given technologies. So do enroll at Profound EduTech for the course you are looking for and get 100% placement assistance till you get placed. Please be in touch with us on all our social platforms. We are available on Facebook. Like our Facebook page. We have 51,000 plus likes there and we keep posting all the regular updates about our trainings, workshops, campus drives, etc. on our Facebook page. Similarly, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. You may also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it is www.profoundedutech.com. I repeat again, we launch new batches almost every week and we have a new batch coming up from 7th December as well. So do enroll for it if you are looking for quality education, quality training and exploring a lot of placement opportunities. Call on the given numbers 89830-12051 or 52 for more details. Thank you so much once again and hope to see you with one more video very soon.